Children, how are you? Again, welcome to YouTube channel Maths Insights. In this video, as a part of Logarithms chapter, I am going to discuss what are the types of logarithms and what are the laws of logarithms. I earlier discussed that logarithms are very important. The first type of logarithm is called common logarithm. Common logarithm, otherwise it may be called Briggs logarithm also. Briggs is name of a scientist, that's why we are calling Briggs logarithm. When you call a logarithm is common logarithm, if any logarithm is containing 10 as its base, then we will say that is a common logarithm. Suppose log 2 base 10, log 5 base 10 and so on. See, the base in these two cases is 10, therefore these logarithms are called common logarithms, otherwise Briggs logarithms also. In further descriptions, we will not write this base. Whenever we will not find any base for a particular logarithm, that is to be treated as base 10. When I am writing log 20, log 35, see, base is not mentioned here. If they didn't mention any base, that should be treated as 10. That should be treated as common logarithm or Briggs logarithm. Okay, my dear students. Next, second type is natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. When you say a logarithm is natural logarithm, when the base of any logarithm is e, then that is said to be natural logarithm. For example, so log 2 base e, comma, log 10 base e. Here the question arises, what is this e? This e is called Napier's base. You know who is Napier? Napier is the scientist who introduced the technique of logarithms. E is called Napier's base here. Its value is 2.7182. This is called natural logarithm. We will write these natural logarithms as ln2, ln10. When you are writing ln2, that is the meaning that the base is e. Here also I am writing ln10, base is e. These are the main two types of logarithms. Now we will go to laws of logarithms. Logarithms are very useful to simplify bigger multiplications into simple additions and also difficult divisions as simple subtractions. To do that calculations, you have to know the laws of logarithms, otherwise you cannot go further. First one is log a into b. Log ab, you simply say it as log ab, base 10 or any base. That can be written as log a base 10 plus log b base 10. This is the formula. To have an example for this, I am writing log 6 base 10. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 base 10. See, this is a and this is b. That is in the form of log a into b. Therefore, I will write it as log a base 10, that means log 2 base 10 plus log 3 base 10. If you substitute log 2 value and log 3 value, then if you add that value, you will get log 6 value. This is very useful law of logarithm. Second one is log a by b base 10. Say I am taking base 10, you may take whatever the base you like. that is equals to log a base 10 minus log b base 10. Log a by b is equals to log a base 10 minus log b base 10. For this I will take the example log 2 by 5 base 10. Instead of dividing 2 with 10, I will use this law, that is log 2 base 10 minus log 5 base 10. If you substitute the values of log 2 and log 5, then this calculation will become easier. See, this is very small fraction, that's why we are not finding the difference between this way and this way. But if this fraction is bigger, then the use of logarithms will become significant here. Okay. Third one is log a power m base 10. Log a power m base 10 is equals to m into log a base 10. If you have any power for this a, then for example I am taking log 2 cube base 10. This is in the form of log a power m base 10. So that can be written as 3 into log 2 base 10. In this way, if you have any bigger number here, you can express it in exponential form by having some base and exponent. Then you may write exponent into log 2 base 10. If you multiply log 2 base 10 with 3, then you will get the answer for this. Next one is fourth one, log a power alpha base b. Now I am taking different base here. So actually this and this are same. When you have beta, suppose log a power alpha base b power beta, that can be written as alpha by beta into log a base b. These are very important. For this I will take an example. See, log 8 base 36 suppose. Then I will write it as log 2 cube and 6 square. 2 cube is 8 and 36 can be written as 6 square. Therefore this is alpha and this is beta, that is 3 by 2 into log 2 base 6. If you know log 2 base 6, then you can multiply with 3 by 2, then you will get the answer, right? And fifth one, if you have log a base b power beta, then that can be written as 1 by beta into log a base b. Actually this and this are not different. Here you have alpha, in place of alpha I am having 1, therefore it will become 1 by beta into log a base b. For this you may have example log 2 100 base 100. See, this can be written as log 2 and 100 can be written as 10 square. If 2 power 1 you can write it as, then it will become 1 by 2 into log 2 base 10. Right, my dear students? These are the main laws of logarithms which are very useful in particularly maths, physics and chemistry to do difficult calculations. We will again have a concept on logarithms in the next video. Until have a nice day. Thank you very much.